Okay, so number 5, we start off just like we did yesterday. So it's telling me my side length is 12, my side length B is 31, and my angle for A is 20.5. So then how do I start this off? Yeah, I want to start off by finding my angle B, so I'm going to put my parts of my A that match up together. My side length was 12, my sine is 20.5. Then for B, I know my side length is 31. I don't know my angle. So then, just like yesterday, I want to get that sine B out of my denominator. Okay, so if I rewrite this, I have sine B times 12 over sine of 20.5 equals 31. What was the next step? Uh-huh. Technically columns. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite again. How do I isolate my variable? Inverse. Oh, wait, that was supposed to be 3. Okay. When we type this in the calculator, what do we get? So does anyone have an angle for me? No, are you in degrees? Okay, so this one went to 1 decimal place for my degree. I'm going to match that. So 64.8. Okay, so notice, for angle B, I got an acute angle. And for angle A, I also had an acute angle. What does acute mean? Okay, So whenever I have two acute angles, I need to check to see if I'm going to have a second triangle. A second triangle? Yes. Like we have to do this twice, kind of. So, to check, let's do this in green. Because sometimes it just works out that way. Takara was trying to show you.
Why would they not just say that there was two in the beginning?
Okay, so the way I do this is I take 180 and I subtract the angle I just got. That's 64.8. You have to know when to do it. Yeah, when it says solve triangle ABC, you need to know when to check. Yeah. Yeah. So, like the ones we did yesterday, there wasn't two triangles. It's just when you have two acutes, you have to check. What was I going to say? Oh, so now that I have this 115.2, I need to make sure that these will make a triangle. So my original angle I was given was 20.5. So 20.5 plus 115.2 gives me what? One what? Okay. Is that less than 180? Yes. So I will have two triangles. So the way I'm going to label my answers is that first angle I got is going to be my angle for B sub 1, because it was the first one I found. So that was 64.8. And that second angle I found, the 115.2, that is going to be my angle for B sub 2. Now, what do you want me to find? How do I find my other side? Do I have all my angles? No, I need to go find my angle C's. So, we're going to start off with angle C1. How do I find that? So on this problem, the most important thing is making sure I'm matching up my triangles together. It might be helpful to draw two separate triangles to kind of keep it organized, which I'll do right here. Yeah, the information they give me is going to be the same for both, the angle and the two sides, and then anything I find after is what changes. So what's my angle for the new, or for C1? I just need to do the math right here. Okay, so I'm going to write that off to the side to keep this organized. And then I'm also going to put it on this triangle. Then what do you want me to find next? Okay, so you want me to find side C1? Okay. How do I find that side? Okay. Do I know my side length for C1? But I do know my angle, which is 94.7. Okay. Okay, so then I want to isolate my C1. Okay, does anyone have a side length? I think you gave me the wrong side length. Oh, I was like, you gave me something for the second one. Anyone have the answer? Yep. And then this problem gave me units, so I just want to make sure I include those. So that was measured in meters. Okay, what else do I still need to find? Okay, so I need to first start off by finding my angle for C2. So that's going to be 180 minus the 115.2, and then the angle that was given, which was the 20.5. Okay, so this one's the 44.3. I know. I did not give enough room. Okay, but I do need to find my last side, which is C2. So I set it up almost the exact same as the last one we did. I have 12 over sine of 20.5 equals C2 over sine of what is my angle? And then just like before, I want to isolate my variable. So does anyone have a answer? An answer? Mm-hmm. So these are all my answers that I've written off to the left. Questions here? I know it takes a lot of work. Let me draw this on a sticky note. So based on the information I have, I can either have a triangle that looks like this, because this will have the same side length, or this one. Nope, I did not mean to draw the exact same triangle. Like that. It's because like this inside triangle right here, so like from here to here, is an acute triangle inside, so that's what allows me to have two triangles on this specific one.